Cousin. What happened?
What's up, guys? Brother Lewis here from the future. So, welcome to the channel. We have lost the first half of our track day videos. It's in somebody else's phone or another camera. We just can't find it. So, we're just going to do this. This is going to have to suffice. It was an eventful track day, and eventful in the worst way possible. At least for me. Brother Kervis, cousin Jerdy, Uncle Rigo, and Uncle Rigo's friend Ray, all four of them had successful track days. Unfortunately for me, I did not at all. We do have the second half of the day, so that'll pick up wherever I leave off now. And the first part of the day wasn't terrible. So on the first session of the day, we went out and I made it around the lap. The car was driving fine. I was getting used to it again. It's been a year since I've been out there, and I'm trying to feel the car. I'm starting to get find out how to apex the turns and everything, and make the first lap. And I'm coming around the second lap, and on the third turn of the second lap, a coolant hose blows. It's smoking everywhere. I got that cool picture to prove it, and then I got to pull over because I don't want to ruin it for everybody else and dump coolant on the rest of the track. So the track safety guy comes, guides me out. I drive the car off to the pits, and then I let it cool down, and I see I blew a coolant hose, and then my radiator's leaking. So what I did was Uncle Rigo actually just happened to have an extra silicone hose that I was able to cut and make it fit. So that solved that issue. And then Uncle Rigo's friend Ray, he came. He lived nearby the track, and he was able to bring a radiator for me. So that solved my problem. So that spent the whole morning doing that. So basically, from the first session through lunch and up until we got through started going out for the second session. So we get on the track. And I'm ready. I'm feeling better. The car's not overheating. Nothing's gonna blow. At least, fingers crossed, I'm not doing that. And this is where the rest of the video picks up. So, enjoy.
APB boys back at it. Cousin Jerdy in the Miata. Cousin Kervis in the EX. The Type R right here, baby. Race car spec, no interior.
All right, open one. You're up. Open one. You guys are up. Open one. Line up. Can't be good. Out of service already. Lap 2. Round 2. Let's see how we do. Let's see.
Type R is stuck over there.
Well, guys, this is session 3. I think this is my second session of the day. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I didn't make it half a lap before my car broke down. So before it was sorry, the guys are still racing around. I'm trying to talk as the tow comes, but first it was a coolant hose that blew up, and then my radiator broke. And now I think my wheel fell off, or something fell. Lower ball joint failure, I believe. So, yeah. Needless to say that I have a complete turd. This is the second time I have to be rescued, and I'm probably off for the rest of the day. So, I'll give you guys an update whenever I get this turd home, because it's not going to be easy.
We got Cousin Dirty coming down the street. Got the Congo line leader here. Puppy smoking. Guy's ripping it. One guy's getting towed off the track. Cousin. What happened? Oh, brother. This guy stinks.
Poured it all out.
Well, this is how the track day ended up.
Yeah.
We have a flat tire on this side. We have a destroyed ball joint on this side. Tire's done for. The rim is also done for. Guy got yelled at by the track leader.
This video's all over the place. This is footage of Brother Kervis driving, some other people, but I wasn't able to drive at all. I drove a total of 2 laps between 2 sessions. I think it is a sick photo though. Check that out. And you would think that this is smoke, but that's just clouds of coolant when the line burst. So, nice little, you know, reminder of what happened today. So, with that being said, we'll see you guys